Okay, so let's talk about a few different prepositions. So about, except, as, into, beyond, under, in, behind, near, from, over. There are plenty more prepositions out in the world that can be used in sentences. Here's a small flavour, nice little sample. So about, like within the area of, nearby. It's about here. It's about right. Yeah, kind of right. Yeah, yeah. As, like talking about how something is related to it. That is as tall as a tree. This is as strong as a mountain. This is as fashionable as ever. Very nice. Beyond, like past the horizon, really far away, too far away. I need to go beyond the city, beyond the ocean, really far away. It is beyond, well, in another country, another continent beyond. I live in a country beyond your own. Yeah. In, nice one, little box. You're looking inside the box. What's inside the box? Near, close by. I always say to my students, like near, as in like, can you reach it? Near. Yes. Near. Near. Is it within arm's length? Is it nearby? Is it not far away? Can you get to it easily? Quite easily. And over. To go over something. To go, rather than, you need to go this way, so you have to go over it. Can't go through it. Can't go under. So you have to go over it. Going over. And beyond. Going over the hill. Over the mountain. Or we could even say, we talked this over, this plan, we talked about this. And except, like everyone but. Like here's this, and there's that, except. So there's 99%, and there's 1%. Except. Everyone here, apart from that. Except. Into, like going into a tunnel, into the classroom, into the school, into something. You're going into something, into the cave. You're going to get into trouble. So not just an actual place or a thing. You're going to get into a world of pain. You're entering a new dimension. Yeah, you're going into a new concept of maths. We're talking about going into a new branch of study, a new science. Now we're going into physics. Now we're going into chemistry. And behind, it's a nice one. Behind. 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 And from, like where you come from. You come from here. You're going there. You're from here. From here. You're going from here, let's say A to B. You're from A and you're going to B. From England. From Europe. From, well, okay, Gondwana land. That's something, a bit of geography for you. From Earth. From England, from Wolverhampton. From my home. I'm recording to you. I'm recording this video from my home. From my home. I am from Europe. And again, you've got the Americas and the other continent, Gondwana land, but that's something else. I'm from Europe. Let's leave it at that. From England. From the West Midlands. From the West Midlands. Makes sense. Where you are currently. Where you're from. Are you from England? Are you from Spain? Are you from Mexico? Are you from India? Are you from Morocco? Where are you from? What is that behind you? What's that behind you? Behind you. What's that behind you? What's that underneath? Or under? What is that under the camera? It's a tripod. Tripod under the camera. Into, we are getting into more complex English grammar now. It's getting more and more difficult. Into. But this class, we are going to talk about grammar. Well, everything, well, except we're going to talk about nothing about English grammar except for prepositions. Nothing except for prepositions. Except. We're going to go over the different kinds and how they work together. But we are going to talk about a few near common mistakes that people make that you might nearly make yourself. But if you use the information in this course, you can avoid those mistakes. And with the information, you can go beyond your current English and make it even better and stronger. Make it as good as a native speaker. Because this course is all about helping you master English and discover the world. How cool is that? Let's keep going.